Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we're going to add the upgrade level number to the screen, to this part of the HUD. Okay, and also we are going to fix the bug that when we are setting some different ammo, like slot and ammo total amounts to the upgraded weapon data tables, that they don't update to the weapon. So we will fix that. So let's actually start with that. So let's go to the PP first person character. And when it opens, then we want to go to the set max ammo. Set max ammo here. Set max ammo. Okay. And what we want to do here, we want to, let's actually first move everything after the get data table row to the right, like this. And what we want to do here is, actually we don't have to move it that much, but we want to get a select node from here, but we cannot do it like this, because it will cut this. So we will have to, actually let's move this to here. We will have to cut these links. So Alt left click. Now we want to right click this and recombine struct bin. And now from the out row we want to promote a local variable and connect it to here, also here. Now we want to rename this new local variable to out row, for example. Now we want to compile, and then we want to split this. So now when we get the ammo clip max, which goes to the bottom one, and ammo total max, which goes to the upper one. Now when we get a select node from here, it will work, as you can see. Okay, and now what we want to do with this is exactly the same thing that we have done on the set weapon stats. For example, here on the start, we can actually copy this. Go to the set weapon stats and to the start, and let's copy this select node and this reference to this variable. So Control C, let's go to the set max ammo, let's delete this and paste that. Okay, and let's connect this to the data table. And now the variables should update. So let's try. So for the pistol on the here weapon data table, for the pistol, the ammo clips max is 12, ammo total max is 72. So let's set them to some different amounts. So let's set it to 60. Actually, I don't want to set it. Yeah, let's make it 16, and it's like, I don't know, 120 or something like that. Okay. Actually, it cannot be 120 if this is. It can be 128. Okay. Now it has like 8 clips. So let's see what happens. So now I have 12 and 72. After the upgrade, I should have. I still have 12 and 72. What? Okay, I'm stupid. I forgot one thing. So you want to go to the VV first person character and to the set max ammo. And we want to move this a little bit further left, and we want to add a new input here. The input type should be integer. What? Integer, and the name should be like weapon upgrade level. Why does this do this every time? Okay, I don't want to. Yeah, okay. So now we want to promote this to a local variable. Not to a normal variable. To a local variable. Like this, and add a rewrote to here. Let's rename this to like weapon upgrade level, and it didn't go through. So weapon upgrade level and space, like that. So now what I want to do here, where we select this data table that we added before, I want to delete this weapon upgrade level because this is the variable from our normal variables. This is not the local variable. So let's delete this and get the weapon upgrade level local variable, connect it to the index. Let's compile, save. Now let's go to the set new weapon to slot function. And now let's find all our set max ammo things from here. And now let's get this weapon upgrade level local variable that we have also on this function. Let's get it here and connect it to here. Also, let's get it from here, paste it to here, and also to the third one, like this. Now let's compile and save all, and it should work. So we have this pistol, let's upgrade it. Now, yes, as you can see, it has the ammo that it is supposed to have. Now if we upgrade it again, it should have the ammo that it had before, because I haven't changed the values on the data table 2. So let's see. Now it has 12 and 72 again. Okay, so that thing is working. The next thing we want to do, we want to actually add the upgrade level to the player HUD. So let's go to the HUD folder and to the player HUD. Let's open it. And we should already have here, most left thing here, it already says upgrade level slot. We have created it before. So let's just get a text, move it there, change its name to upgrade level text. And now let's set this text to like I, so it's like 3 lines basically. Then let's align it to the middle and to the bottom, like that. And the font size, I would like to make it like 20. You can obviously make it whatever you want, but 20 is good for me. Okay, now let's set this text back to empty when you have set the font and stuff like that. Okay, I just compiled just to be sure. Sorry, compiled and saved. And now let's go to the graph and to the event graph. Now let's find some empty space. Let's go, for example, to here. Let's add a new custom event. Let's call this custom event. What should we call it? Set weapon upgrade level text, something like that. Let's add a input type integer, and this should be called level, for example. And now what we want to do, we have to go back to the designer, and we have to make this upgrade level text. We have to make it a variable like this. Let's go back to the graph. Let's get the upgrade level text. Let's get from it and set text is content set text. Let's get from here to here. And now we want to get the select node like this. And we want to connect this level to here. Let's add a few pins. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Option 0, we want to leave it as empty. Option 1, I will add the eye and 2 eyes and 3 eyes, like that. Yeah, now if we compile and save, we want to go back to the PP first person character and to the set weapon stats. And here, where we set this weapon name, we also want to set the upgrade level. So let's move all these after the set text to the right. And now we want to get from here, from the player HUD widget, and we want to set weapon upgrade level text. Okay, let's connect it to here. Let's connect this back to here. Let's add some reroutes like this, also like this. Let's align them. Okay, they were already aligned. And now we want to get the weapon upgrade level. So, weapon upgrade level. Okay, let's get it. Connect it to here. Compile. Save all. Everything should be done. So let's see. When we upgrade the pistol, you can see the I or 1 or whatever you want to call it appears to here. And if we upgrade again, sorry, we don't have money. Now we can do it. Now it says 2. And I actually want to get another weapon. Now it doesn't say anything. And when we get this pistol, now it says 3. Now it doesn't say anything, and now it says 3. Yeah. Okay, so I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.